Hello, this is how I replace the oil level inspection window on my XF650. This is also the same for DR650. So I got oil leaking from here, the outside, and I wanted to fix it. It wasn't so bad of a leak, but still. It was seeping oil from there, it's a very small amount, but still. So I didn't know how to remove it. I posted in the DR Rider forum, I got some advices. Anyway, it also had cement on the inner side. So I guess they put it on the sides and then it squeezed outside. Anyway, the way I removed it, I will show you. I took the cover. Yeah, so this is the oil. This is the old one. It was like this inside. And you see the cement here. The color is the beige color here. I removed it also with a knife. Anyway, what I did, I put it on the ground. I took a 19mm socket, put it upside down. It can be any socket actually, because you use the half-inch side. I used the half-inch side. Or you can use maybe 17. Anyway, I put it and I use the mallet, and you have to give it few hard hits and it falls inside. So I'm going to clean it and put the new one in. I'm going to I'll show you again. It was like this, and you just hit it like this and it falls. I have some cracks in the case. I hope it's not something of an issue. It has some cracks here. Anyway, I'm going to put the new one now. That's all.